Black Friday is upon us and DJI have got some amazing deals on cameras and drones. What's going on, guys? My name is Dan Davis. I'm the creative director here on DansTube.TV, which is Australia's #1 drone YouTube channel. And today I'm talking about some of the best deals that you can get through DJI on some of their drones and cameras. They've got a bunch of deals and a bunch of different ways to save during Black Friday. I'm not going to be able to talk about all of them, but I'm just going to talk through some of my favorite products that I'm still using to this day. For full disclosure, this video has been sponsored by DJI, but all of my thoughts expressed throughout this video are my own. They haven't been influenced by DJI, and I still use all of these products to this day for my entire workflow, as you're probably aware if you watch my channel. This wouldn't be a DansTube video without some drone talk, and I've got two drones that I really wanted to talk through for the Black Friday deals. One of them is the DJI Neo. Now, the Neo is a versatile little drone. It's so small and compact, but it does a bunch. You can use voice controls, you can control it with your phone, you can control it just with the button on the side without any other device connected. There's a bunch of different controller support as well. You can fly it with motion controls. You can even fly full FPV, like full manual flight where you can do flips and all sorts of fun stuff. I'm sure all of that's gonna pop up on the screen as I'm talking through this, but I've tested a bunch of it and it works great. It's such a versatile offering here. So regardless if you're a beginner or a professional, the Neo is a strong recommendation. You've got to keep in mind that the Neo isn't amazing in high winds, so you need to be a little bit careful with it. And keep in mind it's only got a single axis gimbal, so if it's really windy you might notice a little bit of movement, but in really any other situation it has no issues. If you want to fly between a tight gap, if you want it to follow you and you don't have a phone with you, you don't have anything that you can use, you just press the button, it launches, it just keeps up with you with absolute ease. There's a bunch of really cool modes as well that you can use. It's got that full propeller coverage as well, so you've got the propeller guards on it. And the Neo, in my opinion, is still one of the best beginner drones for a lot of people. The battery life isn't as good as like a mini drone, for example, but it's great for just those travel moments and capturing memories. It's literally like a follow me camera or whatever. It basically just follows you, keeps up with you. You've got a bunch of other controls where you can fly it like a normal drone, and it does a lot in such a small package. So great for memories if you're traveling a lot, if you're with family, and you don't want to have to like constantly ask people, hey, can you get a photo of us? You can just launch this drone and it's just gonna capture those moments for you. And it's just gonna keep up with you whenever you wanna capture a memory. I love that about the Neo. You can then take it to the next level by learning to fly full FPV. Like, how crazy is that you can go from just a standard kind of selfie drone that does its thing, keeps up with you, to then flying full FPV and flipping and rolling and doing all sorts of crazy things in such a small package. And it's fully protected, so the amount of times I crashed it because I was learning FPV, it's still working perfectly fine, no damage, it still functions as you would expect. And there's some other cool features, like even the voice controls, that actually works really well. I was quite impressed with that. And yeah, I think for a lot of people, like regardless if you're a beginner or a professional, it's a fun drone, such a fun drone. So for the beginners, you're absolutely gonna love it. It's a great starting point. Good video quality for such a small unit. But then for the professionals who have something a little bit more serious, and maybe it's for their, for their projects or for their paid work, the Neo is that fun side. That's where you can really let your hair down. That's where you can just kind of learn to fly in a fun environment. Like, you can get those tight gaps, you can do those crazy rolls, you can do some fun stuff with it, and you don't have to necessarily worry about, is this gonna look amazing? Do I have enough battery life for it? It's just a drone for a moment, for an experience, and that's what I love about the Neo, and I think it's worthwhile regardless if you're a beginner or a professional. I did want to mention quickly that the D1 store will also have some Black Friday deals as well. They've helped the channel out immensely and they've been sponsoring the channel for quite some time now. So also go over there and check out what they have available. I've helped Australians save over $70,000 on their drones, cameras and accessory purchases. So you can reach out to them directly, sales@d1store.com.au, or you can use the code DANSTUBE in store or on their website to save on a bunch of different drones and accessories. Another really strong recommendation for people out there is the Mini 4 Pro. It's still a phenomenal drone, a great deal during Black Friday. Both the Neo and the Mini 4 Pro are great deals right now through DJI's website. So definitely check them out while you can during Black Friday. The Mini 4 Pro is still holding its position as one of the best mini drones on the market. It's got omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, a really nice 4K camera system. It's got all sorts of fun modes. It's very reliable in any sort of scenario you put it in. You've also got that true vertical video, so the camera actually rotates to give you true vertical video in 4K. The photos are great from it. All the different modes as well, like you've got some pro offerings here, which is nice to see with the waypoints, with cruise control. We've got some cool tracking modes as well. We've got Active Track 360. It's got a lot of that pro offering that we see in the higher end drones, but it weighs under 250 grams. So again, a great travel companion, just like the Neo, and it does everything you need it to do. Like, I know a few people who use it for their business side of things, and it's a very competent drone. Like, when you look at the footage, you don't really tell that, oh, okay, this is a mini drone and it's smaller than one of the larger drones maybe that you've seen. The camera system on it is something that we've seen for a little while now from DJI, and it's such a solid camera system that's been redefined for a little while. So you know that you're getting something very solid here. The flight experience on it is great. So with the Neo, for example, where certain wind conditions you might struggle and you can't really expose it to too much wind, the Mini 4 Pro can handle it. It can handle any sort of wind condition you put it in. It's got better battery life, it's got a better camera system on it, and it's got that omnidirectional obstacle avoidance and some of those professional features like the master shots, waypoints and cruise control and all that really good stuff. So it's got a lot going on for it, and it is such a great offering in such a small little package, and I love how it folds. Where the Neo has a more rigid flat design, the Mini 4 Pro folds away into a tight little bundle. There's a nice bag that you get with it if you get the Fly More combo, and the Mini 4 Pro is a great unit. It's something that I will recommend to a lot of people as well. Depends what you're looking for, but like the Neo and the Mini 4 Pro are both drones that I recommend. Like, they're in the conversation. If people ask me what to get, those two drones do come up in the conversation quite a lot of the time. The Mini 4 Pro is right on the cusp of 250 grams. It's like just under, which just sneaks in, but that gives you way more control over like the cinematic look of your footage, and it's definitely a more professional drone as opposed to the Neo, which is definitely more of a fun drone. But both drones do work in those countries where there are strict rules and regulations around drone operation. So again, the Mini 4 Pro is a great travel companion. There's a lot of compatibility as well, so you can use goggles with it, you can use some different controllers with it. It also works in a lot of different lighting conditions because that sensor is quite wide for the camera system. And I've been impressed with the Mini 4 Pro. It still holds up to this day, like I said, and I love the flight experience on it. It commands the sky, it controls nicely, it's got a great speed to it, so great for tracking, great for keeping up with subjects, and there's a bunch of different modes on it. So it's still one of those drones that I will talk about to this day, and probably for quite some time now, because it's just a staple in my kit. I still fly the Mini 4 Pro. The Osmo Pocket 3, one of my favorite camera systems to date. I take it out all the time with me. Like, this is no exaggeration. For a lot of my unboxing videos that I post online and on my second channel, if you haven't checked out my second channel, check out Technical Products. Got some cool stuff over there that I'm not posting on the main channel, but I post most of that is actually captured on the Pocket 3. So the fact that it's a gimbal, I can just have it on a tripod and then angle it down by moving the camera down. I absolutely love that. It's so easy to just mount the camera onto a tripod and then have full control over the camera system. I love the fact that I can just flip it around if I want to do like talking to camera stuff. I really love what the camera captures. It's just constant high quality footage. You got a bunch of different focusing modes as well. So you got like a product showcase. So when I'm focusing in on a product, it's actually going to focus in on the macro. So if something's really close to the screen, it really focuses in on that. And it just looks great every single time. So I'm impressed with the Pocket 3, still use it in my workflow, honestly, all the time. Like, I'm constantly using it for the unboxing stuff over here on my desk. It's just something I use. When I don't want to take my big camera out with me, I just take the Pocket because it's got all the slow motion features, it captures great photos, and all the video looks great from it as well. It's just so easy to set up. And the fact that I can just wirelessly connect the Osmo audio is then just that next level above, because I get really high quality audio with great video, and it's such a small portable package. Like, recently my partner and I say recently, it was a year ago now, it's crazy how fast time flies. But a year ago, we took the Pocket 3 with us to Japan. We might have some footage show up here actually from Japan, and really cool. Like, it's just so easy to use. I literally give it to my partner all the time, and she just knows how to use it. She just flips the screen out, it powers it on, and then she just captures stuff as we're out and about exploring. The fact that it's got the face tracking as well, so it just recognizes my face and it can just focus in on me. That's really handy for me as a solo content creator, A lot of the time I'm out on my own, no one's there helping me. So that just means that I've got that peace of mind knowing that it's tracking my face and that I'm in focus. So I'm always impressed with the Pocket 3. It's one of those camera systems that I think I'm going to be using for quite some time now. And it's just such a great all-rounder. It's portable, it's competent in any sort of scenario. You've got great audio options from it. It's great at capturing photo and video. It's good in low light. It's very versatile with that gimbal system, so you can get really fast movement as well. And I can't really knock it. Like, it's just one of those systems that if you can grab yourself one and you're wanting to start out in some content creation, it's a good all-rounder to start with. You are gonna be very impressed with it. And the fact that the Pocket 3 is on special through Black Friday might be the best time to pick it up right now. If you have the money, it could be an amazing Christmas gift for your loved one. Like, they are gonna just be obsessed with it. But if you wanna pick it up for yourself and you are a content creator, you're gonna fall in love with it. It's also one of my favorite travel companions just because it's so versatile. And the fact that we can do a lot of movement and I know that the footage is gonna be stabilized, that's a big thing from a system like this with such a great sensor on it. I love the camera sensor. And so on that note, I wanted to mention another mic system that I use a fair bit, which is the Mic Mini. Right now I'm actually using the Mic 3, which is their latest system, a great system. But the Mic Mini, I think, is that little hidden gem. It works perfectly with the Pocket 3. It works with a bunch of their other products as well, but it's just great for its price point, nice and compact. I love the design of it, it's very subtle, and I like that you can get different colors as well. Like, there's a black and a white version, and you can get the different color windshields on top as well, which is always really nice. It's definitely carved like a niche of its own. It's not like the pro grade, like studio ready Mic 3 or Mic 2 that you're getting 32-bit float and internal recording and all this crazy stuff. It's just a really solid microphone that just does exactly what you need. It's not complicated, and the big thing is that the audio quality is comparable a lot of the time to the Mic 2 and the Mic 3. That's what really impresses me here. Even though we don't have the 32-bit float, and obviously the Mic 2 and Mic 3 are better, but the Mic Mini keeps up. It definitely keeps up. And I think if you've got yourself any other DJI product that can work with the Mic Mini, it's a great combo to have. It's such a cool kit to have, and it's very versatile because you can connect it up to your phone, to your laptop, cameras. You can connect it up just wirelessly to any Osmo ready device. And really one of those mics that I use a lot of the time. The fact that it's so small as well is a big calling card here because it's so easy to just clip onto a hat. You can just tuck it into your shirt, you can clip it on to wherever you need to, and you've also got that magnetic option as well. So there are a few instances where I like magnetically connected it to my car. I've seen a bunch of videos online actually of people connecting it up to different surfaces, and because it's so small and subtle, you just don't notice it. But it's so easy to just tuck away, and I love that about it. You don't want something really awkward and big in your face. So something like that is just nice and subtle, and the name makes sense, right? It's a mini microphone, and it does exactly that. It's a very professional mini microphone. But again, if you can get yourself the Pocket 3, and you want to get a combo like the Mic Mini, it's a really good combo to get. The combo that I use is the dual mic, so you've got the two Mic Minis that you can connect up, so if you're interviewing someone, really easy. But one of my favorite looks actually, which is a bit of a big thing at the moment, is people just holding the microphones. Instead of having it clipped on, they just hold it like this. I really like that look for some reason. It's a little bit more engaging, a little bit more personal, and something like the Mic Mini is so subtle that you can just hold it right here, and it just keeps that engagement level up. It's not this big system that's right in your face. It's not like you're holding a big boom microphone right in your face. And the audio quality, like I keep saying, is comparable to some professional microphones out there. So it's not like you're missing out on quality because it's a cheaper mini microphone. Honestly, it really still does hold up. So I've been impressed with the Mic Mini. And again, if it's on the special with Black Friday and it's a good deal, again, really good one to check out. So those are a few Black Friday deals that I definitely think you should check out. We've got the Osmo Pocket 3, we've got the Mic Mini, we've got the DJI Neo, and we've got the Mini 4 Pro. All great products. Keep in mind there will be other products and other deals on the DJI website, so definitely go and check them out. Great Black Friday deals right now, so make sure you get in because Black Friday will end very soon. We've got Christmas coming up soon as well, so great to get some gifts in nice and early. And the reason I really wanted to showcase these 4 products is because these are products that I still use, right? Like the Mic Mini is still a solid microphone system. The Pocket 3 is a camera system I use every single week, no exaggeration. I use it multiple times a week for content. The Neo is one of those really fun ones that I can just grab and start to fly FPV again, or I can capture some fun moments if I'm out with, you know, my partner and our dog or whatever it may be. And then the Mini 4 Pro is one of those drones that's just reliable across the board, regardless of what scenario you're in. So I think for you, if you're watching this video and you're considering what to pick up, leave a comment down below if you're still questioning what to grab. But firstly, go to their website and check out the Black Friday deal. See if there's something there that you can grab while it's on special, because this is the time to grab it. Black Friday is always like such a huge saving for a lot of people. I really do appreciate all the support, guys. Let me know if you got any questions down below and I can help you out. Huge thank you to DJI for sponsoring this video, and I'll chat to you very soon. Peace.